really important that you have a helmet that fits you properly. Here are some steps that you can do to make sure that your helmet fits. First, you want to take a measurement of your head. To do this, you want to take the measuring tape and place it on the lower part of your forehead and go all the way around. This will determine the size of your helmet. Next, you want to place the helmet on your head from front to back. Push down on the helmet, especially at the back. This will force all the air out. Keep pushing until the helmet touches the top and the back of your head. If it feels okay, you want to bend down and shake from side to side. If the helmet doesn't move, then it's a good fit. Make sure that the visor of your helmet is parallel to the ground and that your helmet is not tilted on the back of your head, like this. And the last step is to buckle your straps so they're nice and snug. And that's it. So let's recap the 3 important things that you need to remember. 1, make sure that your helmet fits you properly and is not too big. 2, check that the visor is parallel to the ground. And 3, that your straps are snug and not too loose. And that's it. Easy as 1, 2, 3.